Hey, this is Donnie Smith, and I know I hadn't posted some videos in a while. I know I posted a video. We went to the mud run in Texas, and I took some pictures and posted that up. And a couple of you had mentioned, about the jet boat project. I am going to start working on that again. It's just kind of been busy. I mean, over the past, since August really, when school started. I teach collision repair at a college, and man, it's just been a busy year. We've done a lot of changing. We kind of changed our curriculum all around, started using the ICAR PDP-EE or whatever it's called. So we had to make a lot of changes there, but at the same time, we had to get it all into our Canvas, which is our online learning program that we have. So we kind of had to get it all into that. And then we also did another thing, because the other programs there where I teach at, or like our automotive and our welding, are 1 year programs, and mine was a 2 year, and we thought it'd be better to make mine a 1 year as well, and that way students don't have to drive back and forth as much. Most of our students don't live in the area. I mean, they come from different areas, so trying to eliminate the days that how many days they have to travel back and forth, and making it a 1 year, that's going to eliminate a whole year that they have to drive back and forth. And the main thing is that the younger generation, they just want things faster than they used to. I mean, 2 years, that's looking like a long time to them these days. They want something that's in a year. But with that, it's been busy. We've are having to go longer days. I don't have morning classes and afternoon classes now. It's the same students all day long. So we are really busting through those classes really fast. It's just been a lot of changes, and I've been busy and haven't had time to answer a lot of questions. I have seen some comments, asking questions, and I apologize. I just have not had the time to get on here and answer questions and make videos and things like that. Now, I do still have a little bit of footage that I haven't had time to edit it or anything, so hopefully over the next couple months I'll get some of that edited and online and or on YouTube. And the jet boat, I do plan getting back on that. I'm on spring break right now, so I've had a little bit of time to mess with this, but once we get back, it's going to be a pretty solid shot from there until they graduate in May. So it's going to be another busy time. And, usually that's the busiest time, trying to get projects done out on time and and all that. So anyway, just kind of wanted to post on here that I do plan on doing some more videos, but sometimes I've been able to do them through the school year and do both, but this year I wasn't able to. But with summer coming, I do plan to make more, and I do plan on making some more jet boat videos. So with that said, I'll go ahead and answer one question I have here. Says, okay, here's one question where I was changing oil and I was using synthetic oil. It says, should I use synthetic in a small block Chevy with 50,000 miles or continue with 10W30? We live in South California and the weather stays pretty mild. This is from Jim Miranda. Well, Jim, I would use whatever is in the owner's manual, whatever is recommended for that motor as far as the weight, whether it's a 10W30, 5W30, or whatever it is, I would use whatever is recommended. Now, the synthetic, that is just going to be a preference. I believe that it's a better quality oil, and it's a cleaner oil, and it's going to last longer, and I think it's better on your motor long term, but it is more expensive. So that's just kind of something you're going to have to consider and make a decision yourself. Do you want to spend the extra money or not? I mean, it's not required that you use synthetic, but in my opinion, it does a better job. After I went and learned a little bit more about it when I went to Kentucky this past summer, I didn't know a whole lot about it either, and or the benefits, and there are a lot of benefits. So that's just kind of up to you, and it's a preference. Some people say they don't like synthetic, and some people do. But at 50,000 miles, I think the Pennzoil recommended if it goes above 75,000 that you start using their high mileage. So that's the only thing. But as far as synthetic or not, that's up to you. And then you also go to say, excellent video. As a surfboard builder, we use many techniques from auto body work like surface prep, filling, sanding, and hot coats, etc. And now I'm getting into metal fab and restoration. I have learned more about the tools used in 9 minutes than in the last 8 months. Thanks for posting. And that makes me feel good, that you got something out of the video. And hope I get to making more here soon, so that you can continue to learn. I don't know anything about a surfboard building. In fact, I've never even tried it. That is something I would like to try, though. Here in Kansas, we're kind of not around anywhere to surf. So, but anyway, I appreciate you for commenting, and I will get back, on here soon and start making some more videos. Anyway, just wanted to give this update for those of you wondering why I haven't answered your questions and why I haven't been putting different videos on for the past several months. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for being patient, and we'll see you in the next video.